Good morning, everybody. You're watching Corporate and Dairy. Today we're going to be milking cows. It's June, so it's dairy month, so I figured it'd be appropriate to do a milking cows video for you guys. So we haven't done any cow-related videos lately, so that's what we're doing today. So we're going to go in the milk house and get the milking equipment ready, and we'll start milking. Alright everyone, we're in the milk house right now. I'm getting ready to put this filter. It's just a paper filter that goes in the pipe here where the milk comes in. It'll come in through these lines, go through the jar, it'll pump up through into the tank. So this paper filter just keeps things out of the milk that may or may not come in through the milk. So right now, this is the little pipe that goes in the milk tank that will connect these pipes that I've mentioned before that bring the milk into the barn. So just pull this down, line them up. Now the milk's ready to go into the tank. Right now we're going to get these milkers unhooked. Alright, right now we're going to put some Preip on the cows. It's basically just a cleaning supplement that you put on the cows. It just keeps bacteria from growing on the teat. So here we go. Right now we're going to put some post dip on that cow. I just took the milker off. This is just iodine in this dipper. That helps seal the teat when you're done milking, and it also keeps the bacteria from growing. Alright, so I'm just showing you the milking equipment. This is what you call a claw, just because it looks like a claw just up there. These are insulations. That's where all the milk comes up through. I mean, it'll come from the teat all the way down to the jar down here. The milk will come in there, go through this little hose all the way up to the pipeline up there. Then this is the air hose that goes all the way up here as well. There's two hoses. That's your pulsator that regulates the suction on the teat. And the milk goes through here to the line all the way to the milk house, which I'll show you very shortly. As you just saw, the milk is coming in. It'll fill up to about here, and then it'll pump. Go up this pipeline right there, right into the tank. As you see, we try to keep the milk at about 40 degrees. Keep it cool so no bacteria or anything grows in there. So yeah, there's the milk coming in. There's two lines. This one has milk coming in and that one has milk coming in. So, fills right up and they'll pump right in there. Alright, we're in the Jersey barn right now. We got 14 jerseys. We have jerseys because they have a higher butter fat content, a little bit more butter fat content than a Holstein cow. Like a Jersey will have about 4.4 to 4.5% butter fat, where a Holstein will have about 3.5 to 3.7. So that's why we have jerseys. Alright, as you see here, we got a young heifer here. We just got her in a couple of days ago. We like to get some heifers in before they have a calf. She's about to have a calf in about a week. So we just figured we'd bring them in for just to get used to the routine, the feed and stuff, because the feed is different from when they're cows and when they're heifers. Cows have grain supplement, stuff like that. So we just bring them in, like to bring them in so they get used to the order and everything. So we got a young heifer here. Alright, we just got done milking the jerseys. Right now we're just milking this last cow here. She had twin calves the other day, so we're just milking her last so we can get the colostrum for her calves. So yeah. Alright, we're all done milking. Just got the milk compressor turned off. The release the pressure. It's just going through this little hose here into that little calf bottle. So we're just filling up the calf bottle, getting ready to feed the calves. As you see, the cat's drinking a little bit of milk there, eating some breakfast, I guess. Alright, right now I'm just washing up the milkers, making sure they're nice and clean for tonight. Alright, right now we're rinsing the pipeline. So there's water in the sink that goes through these little hoses, and it goes all the way up through the milkers into the little jars. Alright, right now we're feeding the calves. As you see, all the cows are laying down resting, most of them. So they're going to be resting for about a couple hours, and then we'll let them out to the barnyard. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. And be sure to support dairy farmers, being it's June. So go out and get some ice cream, drink some milk, support your local dairy farmer. See you next time.